Hey everybody!
What's up?
How are ya? How are ya? Holiday special. Got Doc Christoph here, Captain Science, Henry the Hippo. Bones is here. Pitt's still undefeated since he started wearing Kenny Pickett's shirt.
Is that true?
It's a true story. Ever since he started wearing it, Pitt has not lost.
Welcome everybody.
We have we have an exciting, a little bit different, but we're
Holiday magic.
Oh man, Bones, what are you doing when we're not up here, Bones? His arm is whoa, Bones. I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of holiday stuff here, and no matter what holiday you celebrate, if you celebrate holidays and if you don't, it is a special time of the year, and fall is ending, winter is getting started. It's kind of the darkest day of the year is December 23rd, which is today or tomorrow. Then we get into winter solstice. Then we start getting ready for spring. We're going to do all kinds of fun stuff in spring. But anyway, we're going to do some stuff around holidays. And whether you celebrate Christmas, a Christian holiday, or Kwanzaa, or Hanukkah, or don't celebrate any holidays, we got some fun stuff for you. So let's stay with us. Science brings everybody together, right? Just like Spider-Man, we're good to go. And Miss Christoph and I were skating all day today.
Welcome.
So we're so tired. But we're excited.
The show must go on.
There was no way we weren't gonna be here today. Miss Christoph,
And
you know. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
do I know? Oh, I wanted to shout out to, who was it? I think it was the 4th grade last week. Put 8 pencils in a Ziploc bag.
No,
And it didn't squirt water out.
No.
8 pencils.
No,
Could have been a record.
Way. Seriously, 8 pencils?
So we're proud of you for hitting a record.
And we hit a record today when we got on. We've had 1,000 views. So, you know.
So
it might have been my mother 700 times, but so what? We had 1,000 views. So there you go. If we get 999,000 more, you know, we'll be at 1 million. So
we're practically going viral.
We're practically going viral. That's it.
Welcome.
Good
Comment
thing there's a
below.
cure for that. Miss Christoph.
Yes. Me.
Why do snow people live in the North Pole?
Because it's cold?
That's pretty close, because they're cool. Because if I had to live somewhere, that's where I would live too.
Oh my goodness.
Captain Science is cool, Bones is cool,
Santa's
Henry the
there.
Hippo's cool, and Dr. Christoph's Dr. Christoph.
Santa's there.
Santa's there. All right, we got some. We're taking a theme. We're taking the theme of the holidays, but we're also taking the theme. You guys have to be thinking about your science projects. So we're going to show you a couple things, kind of like science projects. So the first thing we have here is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candy canes in a little container. And we're going to put 6 different things in there. And we're going to start timing it. And we're going to see if the candy cane, this is just a regular old candy cane. And we're going to see if it dissolves at different rates with different things in them. So Ms. Christoph's going to write, Dr. Christoph's going to write what we're putting in each one. And then we're going to try to put them in fairly at the same time. It's going to be a little bit, but I don't think we're going to be down to the second. So it'll be okay. So let's see what we got.
So the important thing is that we're learning about how to do a science experiment,
Procedures.
Right? And first, we want to get all materials ready. And what's my question? I wonder what would dissolve candy canes the best or the fastest.
That's our question.
And then we make a hypothesis, step 2.
And I'm going to put a stopwatch on it when we're ready.
The hypothesis is a guess of what you think would work best.
Hypothesis.
Hypothesis. Can you say that? Hippopotamus?
Can you say it?
Hypothesis. Very similar. Very different. So let's get started with some. We have to keep one thing the same and then everything else different. But we have some cool liquids that we should try to see which is going to make it dissolve faster.
Let's do it.
All right.
Oh, and let's get some predictions out too. So think about this. So one of them's going to have distilled white vinegar. How's that going to do? One of them's going to be rubbing alcohol.
We could vote too which ones we should use.
One of them's going to be baby oil. We're going to use hot water. We're going to use room temperature water. And are we going to put Alka-Seltzer or what?
We could. We only have 5 containers. I mean, we could do 6.
6 containers.
Oh, 6. Okay. Well, let's see. We can always get more.
So we have 1, 2, 3. We only have 5 things though. So is Alka-Seltzer the 6th one?
Yeah. Let's do Alka-Seltzer.
Cold. We don't have any cold water, so let's use.
No, that's kind of cold,
This
but
is
no ice.
Room temperature, hot. So Alka-Seltzer. So let's write these up. We're ready to go. Okay.
All right.
We're gonna start our process right now. Okay.
So this is starting our we planned it, and we have a little container for each one. And then we're going to start our experiment. And then at the end of our hour, we will draw conclusions and see what works best. All right, you can watch us. So we're going to set up some alcohol.
Okay, we're going to
Now
start
let's make sure it's all on camera.
all ready to go.
Wait, how do I get this? There we go.
Okay.
Can you guys see?
Baby oil.
All right, I'll write baby oil.
My prediction is going to be that doesn't do a whole lot.
So we got some oil.
But we shall see. Okay, regular old water.
Regular water.
Hot water. Don't tell Miss Pam we took her hot water though.
Okay, we got some hot water.
Ow! Hot.
Burning hot.
Hot. And then here, we're going to put regular water, but then we're going to throw 2 Alka-Seltzers in. It's going to be fun if nothing else.
Oh, yeah, let's see.
1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Here.
It's bubbling all right.
Vinegar.
So we're setting
I think we're going to do pretty good on the vinegar. And it smells like vinegar.
Alka-Seltzer. Oh, yeah, it's bubbling. Vinegar.
And
So take a guess. Comment below what you think is going to dissolve.
Rubbing alcohol.
Oh, rubbing alcohol.
So.
It smells like hand sanitizer.
And here's what we're going to do, folks. Right in the middle there, we're going to hit start. So, I see some red coming out already. I see some red coming out of there. I see some red coming out of there. I see nothing on the baby oil, which I think we all thought probably was going to happen with the baby oil. But we don't know.
Let's see.
I see alcohol.
Oh, I see some red.
And I see something happening with the Alka-Seltzer. To be honest with you, I might want to drink that, but we won't. Okay.
And these are called making observations.
Ooh, so we have a hypothesis, we have our procedures, we have some observations going on. Stopwatch is in the middle. We're 37 seconds. Everything's still intact. But right now, if you wanted to, you would say, you can wait till the minute mark and say, after 1 minute in the hot water, we see a lot of the red part of the candy cane. It looks like the candy cane starting to break down. Whereas in the regular water, it's breaking down, but not as fast. And you can see there is a difference.
Vinegar? So you could take a picture of this. If you were doing a science fair experiment, you would take a picture, record your data, you would write down like at 1 minute, hot water had 1 stripe left. Or at 1 minute, alcohol had all the stripes left. Hi, Mr. Nichols.
Not a thing's going on with the baby oil, which actually is pretty cool because then if nothing happens ever with the baby oil and the candy cane, if you ever wanted to preserve something, maybe you learned that if you put it into baby oil, it gets preserved. Who knows? All right, we're going to wheel this out. Keep an eye. We will bring it back.
Dun, 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 dun. Lots of science experiments today.
And lots of fancy tables.
We're going to do...
Thank you. Oh, this one's cool.
We'll be right. I'm just wheeling this over. Take the brakes off.
All right.
Okay, let's vote. Get ready to vote. We want to hear from you. Ooh. Think we're gonna take a snack? Nah.
Bones, you want some?
All right.
Bones said he doesn't really eat M&Ms because they go right through him.
You're funny. Okay, we have some. So this is another science experiment. We have some.
And you can kind of see the difference. These two are M&Ms, and we used holiday colors, Christmas colors, and these two are Skittles.
See, there's an M for M&M. So we got some M&Ms. We have some Skittles. And what do you think we should use to see which would dissolve this candy the most? We have some options. What do you think you would want to see?
Options. Hello, everybody.
Welcome.
Hello, what are our options?
What should we do? We can use the same kind of things we did before. What should we try to do this with? Hot water? Who do you think would think hot water? We're going to try to make a cool design. Maybe dissolve the candy.
Good.
Hot water. We can always base it on our previous observations. What was working with the candy canes? Does anyone remember? I think hot water. Should we use baby oil? Nah. Ooh. We hear some water. Let's do it.
So we will use some hot water in both the M&Ms and the Skittles, Miss Christoph, Dr. Christoph, or just one of them?
Said make it hot.
Okay. Are we pouring it in the middle?
Oh, I think we fill the whole thing.
I mean, we're
all the way. Yep, yeah, we'll go in the middle.
Okay. And how high do we want it?
I think just so it touches the candy.
And then what we're thinking and what we're hoping is going to happen is as the color comes off, it's going to go in the middle and make a pretty design. Do you want to do it?
No, you do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, got some hot water. That's probably good. So we have some M&Ms. Wait, no, those are Skittles.
Those are the Skittles.
Anyone try with some M&Ms?
You can kind of see it's starting to come off.
Oh, we have to bring it closer, maybe.
We're going to do it with the M&Ms. Hot water?
Hot water, hot water. Do it. Do it. We'll see what happens. Look what's happening over here. I have to bring it closer.
That is very Christmassy.
Oh, I have to turn it
around. If you move
it,
it's going to it's going to make it all crazy. All right, what do you want to do with the other two?
What do you guys think?
It's starting. They can see it on.
Look what's happening. Make some observations.
That is pretty cool.
Whoa, this one's changing colors also. Hot water. We'll see which is faster, M&Ms or Skittles. M&Ms. And then what else should we use? Maybe Alka-Seltzer water? We could put a tablet in the middle.
Okay.
Or take a vote. Alka-Seltzer water?
Do it.
Or baby oil?
Baby oil, maybe not so
Or vinegar?
I don't know what vinegar.
Vote.
So
what do you guys
Alka-Seltzer water or vinegar?
What do you think? Alka-Seltzer water or vinegar?
Come on.
You decide.
Bones, what do you think?
Candy rainbow. Oh, Bones is ready to go.
Bones is all.
Vote. What do you think? Should we do next?
Do it.
Should we do?
Okay. Water or
bubbly water?
Bubbly water or regular water or vinegar?
Vinegar.
No, vinegar.
Okay, all right.
Let's do it.
Is that you, Brycey? I think that might be Bryce. Is it Bryce? Vinegar. All right.
Give me the vinegar. Here we go. Look how cool that is. Seriously though, you can put that in the middle.
Looks like
you can put that in the middle of your table, and that would look pretty darn cool.
See what happens with vinegar.
And I got to be honest with you, we've never done this with vinegar, so this is going to be interesting.
That's why we're doing an experiment.
All right, we got it down, and we're going to keep an eye on this. And if I try to move the camera a little bit, are we going to mess everything up? You watch that for a second, Mr.
Okay.
Christoph. Tell us where we are. Are we okay?
Yeah, we look good. I can
see it. So all the water but the baby oil is red. Some of it is a little more red. The hot water is kind of very pink.
This candy cane.
Yes.
Hot water.
Oh, I was looking at the color of the water. Bring that back up here. That candy, look at the hot water. The hot water is doing some work on that candy cane. It's almost gone.
It's
Hot water is definitely going to be in first place.
at 7 minutes. Okay. Here's
Okay.
some Alka-Seltzer water.
Alka-Seltzer. I thought it was going to do a little better.
It looks like
probably
it's shrinking.
Probably second place. Baby oil.
Baby oil.
No effect. Nothing.
No good.
Whoa.
Here's room temperature water.
Okay.
And we have
Alcohol.
rubbing
I
alcohol.
thought alcohol was going to do more than it did too.
And did I show you vinegar?
Yeah.
Here was the vinegar.
All right.
Look
get
at
down.
this. Ooh, we
Let's
could
get
even
down.
wonder.
Check that out.
So you could always use a scientific tool to measure is a timer like Mr. Skumas had.
Timer,
like
or you can measure like the distance.
You can use a ruler and measure, so that's
ruler.
an idea.
That's the fancy word I was
And
looking
you
for.
can measure in 1 minute. It took alcohol.
Look how cool that looks.
Totally cool, dude.
Wow, that looks really, really nice. All right, let's get the third one in because time is rolling. We're going to move this up. You got to be careful with this stuff, though, because we don't want to mess
But
up.
you can do these for your science experiment.
Whoa, look at that. Look at it move.
Find some tools. Now, if you're at home or you are in after school,
Okay, what's the third one?
Oh, yikes. We're going to make some snow so that you have a white
This one over here?
Christmas. No, I don't think we'll have time for that one.
Where's the white one? Where's the
Over here.
snow? Here?
Yep.
This is snow?
Oh, no.
Yeah, we'll do it. Okay.
Uh,
We'll make it. Yeah.
See, we needed lots of tables this
You know
time
what?
because.
We need a furniture sponsor. Yes.
All
Okay.
right.
We're
So
gonna
I
make
have it all set up.
we're gonna make snow just in case.
If you're at home, get some baking soda, or you're in a classroom here, and you can either do any sort of white shampoo.
Okay.
White conditioner for hair,
Okay.
or you could use shaving cream. And we're gonna see.
All right. Let's do it.
Oh, good idea, Bryce. So let's measure out.
What did Bryce say?
He said use baby oil and
Oh.
water, I think.
Oh.
Oh, good idea. So we're going to use, see if you can get a measuring cup.
No, I think you really meant baby diaper.
A baby
The
diaper.
has stuff in it that
Oh,
keeps the wetness from coming out. And that probably makes it look like.
interesting.
Yes.
Okay, well, you do that. You could do that for your science experiment. So we're going to get about,
Candy cane. We're going to keep
Update.
it set. I'm going to update you when it's gone. But look at the hot water, man. That is close to being gone. Whoa.
we're going to get, where's my measuring cup? Oh, right here. So
Okay.
first, you could get about, if
Make
you
it
were
snow.
in,
Let's make it snow.
So now everybody can have a white Christmas or just a white December, even if it doesn't snow. All right, so if you're using a measuring cup, if you are in first grade, there should be some in my room on the front desk. If you're in fourth grade, you should have one about, or you could just kind of estimate.
How much do
So
you
you
want in
fill
there?
it about 2.5 cups, so like a little
Okay.
less than 3 cups.
Okay.
So we're at, let's see, 1.5 cups. This
See how Miss
is
Christoph's leveling it off because you want it to be.
1.5 cups.
And then where do you want it to get to?
2.5.
Oh, okay.
About 2.5.
Got some work to do.
But the cool thing is it doesn't have to be exact.
Yeah,
So
you
that's
don't
about
know.
2.5.
All right.
We're gonna dump it in our bowl.
Good job. We want 2.5 in this one too? Is this different?
Yes.
Okay.
And so if you have baking soda, if you have oh no, you can do 1 cup.
1 cup. All right.
1 cup
You can do that one on
baking
this one
soda, 1 cup shaving cream.
Okay.
So it's just baking powder, baking soda.
Baking soda.
And if you're using conditioner, it's about 1 cup, but you could squirt some in.
Oh,
So
you need this back. I'm sorry. Here.
Nope. That's about 1 cup. And the cool thing is you just mix it. Now we'll just dump it in.
Okay.
So you just squirt some in. You guys see? It's all white, so it's hard to see. So you squirt it in. Oh my. And then you just mix it up. You can mix it with a spoon or a fork.
Get your hands in there, Miss.
Or with
Dr.
your hand.
Christoph.
Oh
Yeah.
boy. And you know what's cool? You can make a snowman. So you can use it's freezing cold.
No way. Whoa!
It's freezing cold. There's a chemical reaction.
Whoa!
And the baking soda, and so you just mix it around until it feels like snow.
That is pretty cool.
So the cool thing is, is now we have snow.
Could you actually make things with this?
We could. You can milk
Whoa.
a snowman.
Whoa. That is so cool.
So the baking soda
and it
the
smells
conditioner.
good. Dudes, you gotta
So
do,
you
you
can
gotta
try
do this. And then you make a snowman. Oh, that is cool.
And if you're in 4th grade and you're watching this, could somebody run this down to 1st grade? They might be missing baking. They might be missing conditioner.
Wow. Nice.
But if you don't have conditioner, that's okay, because we're going to do it the same thing with shaving cream. Let's get it.
Nice.
All right.
Ms.
You wanna
Kristoff,
squirt some
Dr.
cream?
Kristoff, what happens when a snowman gets mad?
Does he melt?
They have meltdowns.
Meltdown. Oh, look.
I was making a snowman. Or
A snowball.
Treon might be getting hit
Send
with
us
that.
pictures. Maybe you can make
I might
a
be hitting
snowman.
Kristoff, Treon with a snowball.
So we'll do the same thing. If you have baking soda, you just shake up your shaving cream. Go ahead, Mr. Skumas. Put some in.
What am I doing?
And
Just putting it in?
It's hard because it's white. And then you mix it around.
That is pretty cool. Is it cold again?
Oh, it's cold.
Seriously?
It is.
Wow.
You guys see? And you mix it around, and then you can make.
Wow.
It's like snow.
Oh, it is. And it's a little different than the other snow.
Now, that if you wanted to do an experiment, you could test out a bunch of different materials and see which one's
you could use
best.
a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You can do whatever you want.
Oh, it's freezing cold. You could do an experiment and say, what if you use different brands of conditioner?
Dude, we're over here.
Like Pantene Pro V or Suave. And yay!
Seriously though, this really does feel like snow. This is really cool. All right, let's.
All right, snow. I'm not gonna throw this at you, Mr. Skumas, but if we were outside.
Listen, I have a snowball too, and this one's gonna have Treon's name all over it.
Watch out, Treon. All right, so we have some more. Oh, we have some more science
I might go up
ideas.
to 3rd grade and get Cam with that one.
And again, you can make us for your science fair or for your experiment. Try out different conditioners. Try out different brands of shaving cream. Which one makes the best snow?
It's pretty cool.
And again, it's actually cold.
It's actually cool.
Because it's science. And there's a chemical reaction.
Speaking of which, we were supposed to tell you when.
Let's see which.
We got to take the.
Let's show you the winner of what dissolves the candy cane best.